How to add C translation on Instagram bio. So the first step is that you should open your web browser, such as Safari or Chrome, and then you should search for translate.google.com. What you're going to do now is that if you have an English bio, then I would suggest to paste it here on the English part right here and then choose the language that you want. So for example, I'll type in, "Hi, my name is John." So once you have done that, you should choose the language as well right here. For example, I've chosen Spanish. Then simply click on copy right here and go to Instagram. Go to your profile found on the lower right corner, click on edit profile, and then edit your bio and paste your bio right here. So once you have pasted that, what will happen is that um, you will now see this C translation button right here. So once you click on C translation, then you may see the translated version of your bio. So that's it. That's how you can add C translation on Instagram bio.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.